Hello friends, welcome to our 9th HTML web designing tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create basic forms in HTML. For creating form, I am just making a simple HTML page first. Setting its title HTML forms. Now in body, creating a body. Okay, now in body we use our form tag. First thing, what are the uses of forms? As you see, in many sites, when you create your account, you have to fill a form which having many things like your name, your email ID. These all were created by HTML forms. So in HTML forms there were many more other things like text. Like text field and buttons and password field and many other like and checkboxes. So in this tutorial we will cover the text field and the button, password and button fields. Okay, now first we create a form and give it action. Action means where the all submission occur when we click on our submit button of our form. The action of page is we specify other page action.html. Okay. In this tutorial we do not require these fields because this was just a demonstration of HTML forms, how to design, create forms and not to submit values of forms. So we ignored this in that tutorial. And one more attribute is called method. There are two methods for getting values from HTML page. These were get method and post method. We will cover these methods in our PHP or JavaScript tutorials. Okay. For now we are just creating a basic GUI for forms, in which I am making a name field and then input box using name input tag input, and we specify the type also. Type is equal to text. We can specify the size per field at 25, and we can specify the ID. Also ID is name field. Specify the ID is username. Okay. Now I'm making a break line and then I'm using a password word field. Okay. In password field I'm making other input type equal password. Okay. ID equals to password. Okay. And then we create a submit button. Input type equals to submit and value. You can give value like in this case I am giving it only submit. I'll explain all this, but first we will see what this will do. For that just saving it and launching it on Firefox. Okay, so this were our S program. It is having a simple name and password. Sorry for the spelling. Password. Okay, so in name field you can type the name you want. In password field we see that when we are typing anything it will come in asterisk as we want. Okay, and this is submit button. So this will submit the username and password, and our browser will give a message that can he remember the password or not. Okay, what the form will do, it will submit the data from the form, the submit button. If you want to rename the submit button, like you want to make like click to submit the data, like click me for submission, then it will changes the name. Okay, here it is. Now this was well aligned, like the name and password field spaces. For the alignment of these fields form we can use tables also. I will show how to align all them in our next tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.